Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share with you the recipe of a low-calorie zucchini brownie. We're not going to need a lot of ingredients, you can see them on your screens right now. Our main ingredient of course will be our zucchinis. First of all, we're gonna have to grate our zucchinis. Into a separate bowl, we're breaking our egg and mixing it with our sweetener. Try using low-calorie or even zero-calorie sweetener, erythritol, aspartame, stevia, whatever you like. Then adding our oil and mixing again. Our next step is to add vanillin or some vanilla sugar, just a little bit of that, and a pinch of salt. Then we add our egg to our zucchinis and guess what? Mixing again. At last we're adding our flour, baking powder, cocoa powder, and personally I added some protein, whey protein. You can use more cocoa if you like. I like it with my chocolate flavored protein. After adding all of our ingredients, we need to place it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius or Kelsium, whatever. Always check the consistency with a toothpick. It doesn't need to stick to the toothpick. If it sticks, it's not ready yet. So our brownie is ready. It's a perfect low-calorie treat for those of you who are on a calorie restriction. You can try even adding less oil if you want even less fat than that, but I cannot guarantee that it will be as good. Enjoy it! Oh, I almost forgot. Like and comment so I can improve the quality of my videos and post more recipes. Thank you.